Welcome to our guide on creating a mobile app from your Wix website. In today's digital age, having a mobile app is crucial for engaging your audience effectively. Wix offers a range of features that are perfectly suited for mobile apps, including customizable templates and intuitive design tools. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of converting your Wix website into a mobile app, ensuring you get it just right. Choosing the right mobile app builder is essential. Consider factors like usability, features, and pricing before making a decision. Customization is key. Make sure your mobile app resonates with your Wix branding to maintain brand consistency. Now, let's explore how to integrate essential Wix features into your app to enhance its functionality and user experience. Testing is vital to ensure system compatibility and performance. Make use of various devices to give your app a reliable test. Finally, we'll guide you through the guidelines and requirements for publishing your mobile app on popular app stores. Marketing strategies are essential for promoting your newly created mobile app. Learn how to effectively spread the word and attract users. In conclusion, maintaining your mobile app from Wix requires regular updates and engagement with your users. Keep it fresh and user-friendly.